Hello traders, this is a live trading video. You're going to see me close out trade number 33 of the SPXL day trading strategy. And if you've watched these videos before, these SPXL day trading videos, do me a favor, hit the like button, comment down below if you'd like. I'm just curious to see who's watching these and why and what you're getting out of it, because what I'm trying to show you with all of my day trading videos is that you need to have a trading plan and then you need to stick to that plan. Collect the data for the results, and then you can find out over time, is what you're doing actually profitable? You should never take anyone's word for it, and that's what we're doing here. We are collecting the data of all of our trades and tracking it. We did backtest this trading plan during the worst time in the history that I've been trading the stock market, which is since the beginning of 2022. Let me just kind of back this out right here, and this is the SPXL day trading chart, by the way. This is the beginning of the 2022 trading year. Sorry, this is all live, and you can see from here until basically mid-July, everything just went down and then maybe sideways a little bit, and now we are kind of heading back up. So we back tested this all the way until I think May, yeah, about here. Found out this trading plan is profitable even in these worst conditions that I've ever seen. So that was what inspired me to start forward testing this, which means we are trading with real money, but just one single share. That's the testing part. Why would you trade with more than one single share or a very small position size when you don't know the results of your trading in real time with real money? Back testing is only so accurate. So we're going to unlock the platform here, and I'm going to show you the position. So far, and more than likely, today's trade is a losing trade. We're going to go over all of the statistics at the end, and you'll see exactly how this plan is doing. It is profitable even with this losing trade. You can see I had my stop loss set for kind of a worst case scenario. A few hours ago, I even placed a reminder, not a reminder, but a price alert, because I thought if the price fell below this level, I wanted to show you guys my stop loss getting triggered in kind of a worst case scenario fashion. That's only happened one time out of 33 trades so far that this daily stop loss has been hit. I thought today it might happen again and was going to show you that live, but it hasn't happened. So let's go. And again, that's just kind of like another, I think, benefit of following the trading plan. Now I forgot to set my alarm for 3:55, but you can see we've already hit 3:55, so it's time to become active in the trade. And basically what I do right now is I move my stop loss up to a reasonable level, and then we follow the price action on the way out, basically, or as the market is closing, trying to either secure as much profit as possible or reduce our loss as much as possible within reason. Let's see, let's switch to the 5-minute chart. So we see some strength here into the close. So we'll just follow that strength up. So I've set my stop loss at this level where it found support recently, and we're going to leave it there for a while and see what happens as we get close to the market close. If the price comes all the way down and hits our stop, that's absolutely fine. I'm totally willing to accept that loss. We are still going to be profitable overall, and as I said, I will show you all of the data and statistics that show that at the end of this video. So right now it's just kind of a waiting game. We have less than 4 minutes, less than 3.5 minutes basically of trading left in the day, and our job is just sit here and kind of watch and follow the price action into the close. So if we develop another little support area here, I could move my stop loss up to that position, but it's a little bit early to say yet. So everything I do in this trading strategy or trading plan, whatever you want to call it, trading system, is all written down. I don't really think much at all while I'm in this. Let's see, how can I phrase this? Again, this is all live, obviously. These trades are automated. I don't take these trades manually. All the orders are placed ahead of time. The broker takes them for me, and then my only job is, if I get an alert on my phone saying, hey, I was filled into a trade, then my job is to be here at the market close. There is definitely the possibility of closing this after the market close if you're not available, or maybe when I'm not available, and that's something we're going to probably be doing in the future, is closing these during after hours. But for now, just to kind of keep things simple, we're going to keep closing these right at or around the market close. So just waiting to see if another support level is established here, if this thing turns around and heads back up, and then I can move my stop loss up. Otherwise, I'll just keep it here for now. Even if we did hit our daily stop loss today, we were still going to be well in the green with this trading plan after 33 trades. And you'll see that at the end. So just about a minute and a half here left. Not really looking like this thing is going to head any higher into the close. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to leave the stop loss here, and maybe I'll get the opportunity to show you how I get out in the after hours with my hotkeys if this doesn't get hit. I think I'd rather do that than eke out, 20 or 30 more cents out of this trade. So we've got less than a minute now, 50 seconds until the market closes. So as soon as the market closes, this stop loss will no longer do anything, even if I move it up into where the price is trading, because a stop loss is a market order, and market orders only work during the market hours. So what I have to do is close this with a limit order, and I have my hotkeys programmed to do that so that I can sell all of my shares of any position that I have open after the market closes. And I'll show you that setting once we activate it. So we have like 15 seconds basically here until the market is closed, and then I will activate those hotkeys, and we'll see maybe we can get out a little higher than where my stop loss is right now. It's 88.55, and you can see the price is nearing $89. So here we've got 3 seconds left. Let's see what happens into the close. I'm going to close that, and I'm going to get out with my hotkeys right now. And there we go. We got filled at 89.23. So we got another almost 75 cents or 70 cents out of this trade just by closing into the after hours. So let me show you how I did that. I mean, you saw everything kind of happen here on the screen, but you couldn't see what I was doing. You might have heard the click of my keys. I hit Control A, and I'll show you how I have that hotkey set up. So this is going to be selling the bid. Selling the market's not going to do anything for you during the after hours. So this is my sell the bid hotkey, and this is all of the settings right here. So the main thing is that you have your quantity set to 100%. That tells the broker that you want to release all of your shares. Doesn't matter how many shares you have, you want to get out. And you have to have it set to extended hours. That's extremely important. I think this good till canceled is also a must. You shouldn't have it set to day. And obviously you can't have any of these selected because that will not allow it to work. So that's pretty much it. The bid price, that's the price that people are selling the stock at, so that makes sense when you want to, I'm sorry, the bid price is the price that people want to buy the stock at. Of course, we're not talking about stock here, we're talking about ETF shares, but that's what the bid is. And you're trying to sell in this case, so of course you want to sell to the price that people want to buy at. Otherwise, you're going to be sitting there waiting for your order to fill and hope that people come up to that price level. I'm not interested in that. I just want to get out as soon as possible. So let me just double check where we got filled at 89.23. We're going to go over to the spreadsheet now and put in all of our data, and we will see where we are right now as far as all of our trading statistics are concerned. 89.23. So you can see this was our worst case scenario. 87.08. We would have lost 385 per share, but instead we got out at 89.23. So we reduced our loss considerably, almost by half. So this was a losing trade, so I'll put a 0 there and a 1 there. And now this is where our total P&L is. We're just trading one single share on all of these trades, so we can't expect that to be very high. I do need to update my average loser. Let me just do that really quickly. Just bear with me for a second here. Average loser is at, or sorry, that new loser is at F90. Wait, was that right? I'm sorry, the average loss. That's what we want. Sorry about that. So we want H90. All right, so there's our average loser, our average winner, and this is our win to loss ratio, just saying that our winners are 1.12 times our losers. That's all that tells us. Our win rate fell a little bit. It's just above 60%, but it's still kind of within the ballpark of our back-tested win rate of about 65%. And out of 54 trading days that we've been trading this plan, we've been triggered to take a trade 33 times. And this is our P&L. We're just testing right now. We're not trying to make money off of this. We're just trying to see, is this thing profitable? Is it viable to do long term? And so far it is. And other than that, yeah, our return on investment based on our average cost of each one of these trades is over 17%. So that's still pretty decent. We're in a bit of a drawdown here, but we're still kind of, I mean, if you think about this almost like a stock chart, we're still kind of coming down to like a support level in a sense on our P&L curve here. So I think everything is going great so far. We're still profitable, and we just need to keep trading the plan and collecting the data. And after 100 trades, we'll be able to decide, is this thing profitable long term or not? So hopefully this video was helpful to you. I'm not trying to sell anyone on the idea that day trading is profitable. I'm just trying to show you that it could be profitable if you do it the right way, if you approach it systematically and statistically, then we may find a profitable system. So far, this is profitable after 33 trades. Will it remain so after 100 trades? That's what we're trying to find out. So if this was helpful to you, hit the like button. If you haven't done so, subscribe. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section down below. The main message that I like to deliver in all of my trading videos is that you should go into every trade with a plan and stick to it no matter what. Always take your stop losses, honor your profit target, and in the long run, you should be green. Take care.